edition.
Now on the day I was born, the nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in wild wonder
Olaf,
at the joy they had found.
Marquin,
The head
Jake,
nurse spoke up,
Cat,
said leave this one alone.
Ivan,
She could tell right away
Snake,
that I was bad to the bone.
Olaf,
Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Bad. Bad.
Welcome, race fans, to the toxic planet of Gen 6. The stage is set. The green flag drops. Dread is about to blow. Rip jams into first. Today's race is brought to you by Gordo's Gift Shop, the exclusive dealer for Atlas brand parts. Buy Atlas brand. Your opponent does. Olaf, power's up. Dread fades into last. Dread is about to blow. Olaf is dominating the race. Olaf powers up. Dread powers up. Dread fades into last. Rip is about to blow. Last lap. Breaking the law. Breaking the law. Breaking the law. Breaking the law. Dread looks lost out there. Olaf is dominating the race. Olaf scores a first place. Scientists began settling Chem 6 because its diverse climate. Let the carnage begin! Viper fades into last.
Wait on the wheel. There's a voice in my head that drives my heel.
Today's race is brought to you by Gordo's Gift Shop, the exclusive dealer for Atlas brand parts. Buy Atlas brand. Your opponent does. Rip powers up. Rip fades into last. Dread is about to blow.
Red I love.
Rip fades into last. Olaf is dominating the race. Dread is about to blow. Rip fades into last. Olaf scores a first place nothing. Start your engines. Viper fades into last. Olaf is about to blow. Rip jams into first. Viper fades into last. Today's race is brought to you by Viking All Beef Cola. So thick you have to drink it with a fork. Rip fades into last. Olaf is dominating the race. Rip looks lost out there. Dread powers up. is about to blow! Today's race is brought to you by Gordo's Gift Shop, the exclusive dealer for Atlas brand parts. Buy Atlas brand. Your opponent does. Rip powers up! Rip looks lost out there! Viper fades into last! Olaf is dominating the race! Last lap, Viper is about to blow! Rip fades into last! Rip looks lost out there! Olaf scores a first place. We're underway! Olaf jams into first. Today's race is brought to you by Vera Fireblood's Dark Iron Ale, the pride of Dun Moreau. Viper looks lost out there. Tread powers up. Tread is about to blow. Tread fades into last. Rip powers up. Rip fades into last. Olaf is dominating the race. Tread is about to blow. Last lap. Tread fades into last. Nobody gonna take my girl and gonna keep her to the end. Rip fades into last. She stays close on every man. Oh, she's a killer machine. She got everything. Olaf scores the... The main event, the mud, the blood, and the beer. Rip is dominating the race. Today's race is brought to you by Vera Fireblood's Dark Iron Ale, the pride of Dun Moreau. Rip powers up. Rip fades into last. Rip fades into last. Olaf powers up. Olaf is dominating the race. Viper fades into last. Is about to blow. Tread looks lost out there. Viper fades into last. Olaf. The stage is set for the main event. Is about to blow. Today's race is brought to you by Vera Fireblood's Dark Iron Ale, the pride of Don Moreau.
And whatever comes our way. Yeah, I gotta go.
Viper fades in the last.
Take the world in a loving embrace. Buy all of the guns for once and explode into space.
Viper looks lost out there. Shred is about to blow.
And the feeling that I'm yeah, I gotta go.
Olaf is dominating the race.
Take the world in a loving embrace.
Last lap.
Once and explode into space. And like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can fly,
Shred is about to blow.
wanna die.
Olaf scoops it. And away we go. Olaf jams into first. Rip fades into last. Today's race is brought to you by Gordo's Gift Shop, the exclusive dealer for Atlas brand parts. Buy Atlas brand. Your opponent does.
The head nurse spoke up, said leave this one alone. She could tell right away that I was bad.
Shred fades into last.
Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Bad.
Olaf is about to blow.
Bad. Bad to the bone. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you. I break 1,000 more, baby, before I am through.
Olaf is dominating the race. Rip looks lost out there.
I'm here to tell you, honey,
Viper fades into last.
that I'm bad to the bone. Bad to the bone.
Last lap.
Bad. Bad to the bone.
Viper fades into last.